Hi guys, I'm Patricia.
And I'm Ian. Servus.
And we are
Be with us.
Today we are here in São Vicente in, I forgot the name of the place, but I will put it down here for you. Parque Florestal, Chão dos Louros. So we're in Parque Florestal, Chão dos Louros in São Vicente with our friends Goianos na Ilha da Madeira and Laos and Michael. So we're barbecuing here today, and we will show you a little bit of our day off.
And I'm just looking into the camera.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm wearing my sunglasses not because I'm posh or I'm arrogant. It's just my eyes. I can't take much sunlight, and I have a little allergy today, so I look swollen. It's not that she beat me up at home. It's just that I look a little bit destroyed, So, too much party.
Yeah, too much party, man.
Yeah, so today we show you like the traditional way to barbecue out here with friends, which you can do, just rent a car, or if you have a little car, because those places are normally off the beaten track.
Yeah.
And it's a nice thing to do,
Yeah, here in Madeira, there's a lot of places like this. You can just come and barbecue. There's a lot of barbecue places you can just come in for free. You
have to bring your food, and don't burn down the nature.
Yeah.
Be
But
careful.
it's really cool. And here is nice and cool. It's different from down there. Because here's in the top of the mountain, so it's nice.
And nobody told us that we're going up into the mountains. We thought we're going to the beach side, but hey.
Hey!
She borrowed a sweater,
Yeah.
so there we go. Now we'll show a little bit of the
Come
place.
along.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet and smash the like button. Thank you.
And curious, if you have a mother-in-law, and she's very bad, you can put her in there and push her inside.
Yeah. When it's very hot. So we're here with Laos and Michael. And the Goianos.
Hello. Garlic.
Today we see this like from scratch with like
Yeah.
fresh,
Ooh, nice.
floral.
These are nice, right?
See guys, when people go out barbecuing, this is all nice, but don't leave your garbage behind, broken glass, plastic, we saw cans, or rip off tree branches just to light the fire. That's what you don't do, because you just injure the environment. If you can bring it to the barbecue place, you definitely can bring it home. This is garbage. We brought our own garbage bags here, so we can clean up a little bit for all those pigs who have no manners.
Yeah, we'll show you. There's a sink over there for washing the hands and stuff. See the sink? There's some soap on top. Just press it, yeah. Yeah.
Sounds like Patricia on the toilet.
Yeah. Sounds like Ian on the toilet. Look at his face. Poker face. Robson Oliver, Jamie Oliver, is doing the traditional Madeira Espetada. Yeah, I'm talking in the microphone, yeah. Ian's not concerned if I'm talking in the microphone. I'm talking in the microphone. He wants to stop the...
He wants to stop the smoke, and it doesn't stop.
Oh.
It's not working. That's how it's done, isn't it?
Yeah. Now the rain is coming just because we are here. The usual. The usual. You can see, guys.
See guys, we cleaned the fireplace out, we cleaned all the bottles and rubbish out.
Yeah.
So
we can put now in there.
we can now burn the witch.
And I'll wash my hand.
We burned the witch. She came out of it. Now guys, this is a very rare chance to see Patricia cleaning herself. Look how clumsy she is.
No, the water doesn't stay open.
I know. Wait, I'll hold it for you.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Thank you.
You know? I can just move the fire over there.
Yeah.
Molhou. Como é que fala? Molhou?
Just waiting.
Just hold it.
Not eating, just waiting.
Just waiting.
I would eat it.
Yeah, it doesn't look so bloody anymore.
Yeah. Kinda raw,
Medium rare.
medium rare. Ah, yeah, rare. Medium rare? No, it's rather rare. I guess.
Rather raw. Yeah.
No, well
Not
done.
yet.
Later.
Just filming the idea.
So guys, when we come home today, typical Madeira summer drink, we make German Glühwein or mulled wine.
Yep.
We heat up red wine, not really heat up, but warm it up. We put some spices in it, pimp it with a little bit of Madeiran rum, and then drink it really hot.
Yeah, as you can see, for our voice, we have some allergies, some colds all together.
But it's the first time in 1 year that we get any sick.
And it's not that bad. We're just some.
Well, you say.
Yeah, man flu, you know.
She has a. She had a light cold, and I have a.
Man flu.
Can I finish?
No.
When you're married, you have nothing to say.
No. You
Yeah.
have a?
She had a light cold, and for me, it's most likely a deadly man flu.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make it, guys.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be gone.
Yeah, guys, will be with me.
Yeah, be with her. Yeah. Come again?
Espetada madeirense with bread. The skewer is the one we did with the laurel leaves and garlic and salt. And then
And then
we should have bought some rum.
Hmm?
We should have bought some rum. So guys,
No bica de cana. Other places.
cold here, so everybody's gathering around the fire to warm up.
No, no.
And we're getting a new fire in
Yeah.
there.
So we're just using this fire to warm up for now. And the voice is going down.
yeah.
What a lovely and rainy weather. Do you know she's covering you? Huh? No? Not saying anything?
Yeah.
Eh?
The perfect day for a barbecue.
Yeah.
Now guys, I hope you enjoy our sunny sunny barbecue.
This is how we do it here, right?
That's how it's done. Hardcore barbecue on Madeira. Not for the faint-hearted. And if you don't see any videos of us in the next weeks, we're all in the hospital with hypothermia.
Oh, the last one I couldn't take. So,
Go closer.
exactly. Oh, sausage.
Yeah. This is hardcore barbecuing in Madeira.
Special experience.
Yeah.
Exclusive.
YouTubers only, huh?
Yeah. So guys, that's it. If we survive, we'll talk to you later. If not, we hope somebody upload this on YouTube feed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.